In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Bluebeam PDF Printer if your Bluebeam PDF Printer has disappeared, shows as offline, or isn't capturing prints from other applications. The quickest and safest way to bring it back is to let Bluebeam repair the printer driver for you. We'll do this entirely within Bluebeam Revu, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Start by opening Bluebeam Revu on your computer. If you have any drawings open, it's a good idea to save your work first because the repair process may temporarily close background services related to printing. If your organization requires administrator approval to install drivers, you might be prompted for permission during this process. Once Revu is open, look to the top menu bar and select Help, then choose Repair Installation. This launches Bluebeam's built-in repair tool. It's designed to fix missing components, restore default settings that affect printing, and re-register the Bluebeam PDF port and services. You may see a Windows security prompt here. Allow the repair to continue so the printer can be installed correctly. When the repair installation window appears, enable the option labeled Reinstall Printer. That checkbox tells Bluebeam to specifically rebuild the Bluebeam PDF printer driver and reconnect it to the Windows print system. Leave other options as they are unless you've been instructed otherwise, since our goal today is only to bring the printer back online. Now click OK and give the process time to complete. You'll see progress indicators and the print spooler may restart. It's normal for the progress bar to pause briefly while the driver and port are recreated. Avoid closing the window or starting other print jobs while this runs. On some systems, you may be asked to close applications that are using the printer. Allow the repair tool to do so. If a restart is requested at the end, that's simply to finalize the driver registration. When the repair finishes, the Bluebeam PDF printer is re-enabled and ready to use. From this point on, you should be able to select Bluebeam PDF as a printer from your print dialog in other applications, and your prints will route into Bluebeam Revu as expected. This quick repair often resolves issues caused by recent Windows updates, permission changes, or removed drivers. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get the Bluebeam PDF printer working again.